Alright, how's it going? I got another video for you. In this video, we're going to unbox the Garmin Instinct. It is a smartwatch that I found on, I think I bought it on the Cyber Monday deal for like 160, something like that. So, it seemed to be, normally it goes for like 250, then but it was on sale for like 159, I believe. Actually, I may have posted the video already, but Amazon sent me one like within a few hours. I'm like, oh, that's pretty good for like early Cyber Monday deal. And I go and I open it, and it's like an empty box with like no watch. I'm like flipping out on them, because I mean 160 is still expensive for me, especially on a watch. But they sent another one out, so I'm pretty sure there's a watch in this one. So for the last, say, 15 years, I've actually been using my G-Shock that I bought at a PX on base, and it still works. I never changed the battery or anything, but it has parts that are like there's parts that are being like worn off, like physically being rubbed away. So then also the other day, I'm like smacking a box and like the pins start shooting out. So I'm like, I need to set this aside. So we have this rugged GPS watch. So this one boasts, it's like 14 days. You only have to charge it like every 14 days. It is a smartwatch. I guess it has like a bunch of GPS and stuff that you can use. It's supposed to be military grade. What all we got here? It's like military grade and all this other stuff that they boast. Rugged GPS watch. Constructed U.S. military standard, 810G for thermal, shock, and water resistance. Built-in 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter. Multiple global navigation satellite systems, GPS, Glonass, and Galileo. Supports help track in more challenging environments in GPS. Monitor your estimated heart rate, activity. I mainly want this as a watch. Oh my God. There's actually a watch in the box. There's a watch in the box this time. This is crazy. But let's we just pull the whole thing out. Oh yeah, I guess that one. So we have the. So this looks like it has a proprietary charging port, which I guess, I don't know. I mean, they could have went with a. I think there's an Instinct 2 out now, and maybe why the original Instinct is at a lower price. But still, 160 is a lot for a watch, even if it's a smartwatch. So we have it's like a it's almost like a chunky USB-C. That's it's got like 4 prongs in there. So, all right, we got some of the material here, some more stuff here. We'll pull out the watch here. So, my only issue though with this is it has like a basic standard kind of rubbery plastic band, and I want to buy another kind of like metal clasp band like this, because it's just kind of like. But looking online, I couldn't tell if this was supposed to be a 26 millimeter or 22 millimeter band replacement, because it didn't really, on Amazon it's hard to specify. So we got this here. I got that. We have the front face of the watch here. It's also, I think it's just like almost like it's not e-ink, but it's like a black ink type thing. On the back we have what I'm assuming is to be the sensor and the charging port as well. So that should be pretty nifty. I do wear my watch like on my wrist though, so we'll see how that goes. See, I don't like having to do this because I wear my watch like backwards essentially. So it'd be annoying to have to try to put this on backwards every day. And there's like two little, yeah, I'm gonna have to order. I'm gonna have to see what the band width is. Cause I like wearing it like a little loose, but like that. Then the sensor should. So I don't know if you have to have it like really tight on there or not. And also, yeah, I'm curious about the. Yeah, this is gonna be annoying. Cause I can't even get the. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order a band for sure. I just gotta measure the. Cause I think they had a steel, then they also had a titanium. Those were more expensive. So, does it just? Let's see if the. I guess we just. Does it matter which way it is, or is that gotta be on the inside? We got that. Get ye old trusty power bank here. Plug it in. Oh, we got some. I guess it just says Garmin when it's plugged in. I was trying to see if it had any battery in it. Okay, here we go. We got the menu going here. We got the menu going here. We'll do. Is this touchscreen? English? No. Nope, nope, nope. That. No. Set. Nope. This. Pair with phone. We will pair with phone, yes. Download Garmin Connect Mobile to complete setup. Okay. So let's do that. I'm going to say Garmin Connect Mobile app. Does that sound right? Garmin Connect. Is that what I said? I think it's what I said, right? Go to mobile app to add device. Well, we got to download it first. We'll open. I do have my Bluetooth on, right? Yep. Do I have to like create an account first? Is what it looks like, maybe? Seriously? United States. I'm at least 13 years old. I mean, sure. Did that work? Alright. Allow connect to access your nearby devices. Allow access. Allow. Ready to connect your Instinct. We got this going on here. Down here. Connect it. Allow. Enter pin. So I'm guessing this is the pin it's showing here. Then we'll pair. So I'm really concerned. I just want, because I work in like a warehouse, so it's like a rough environment. So the military spec thing is something I was interested in. Set your profile picture. Okay. We'll leave it with only me right now. The next few questions will help calculate how fast you burn calories, your body mass index, your initial step goal. Okay, next. So we're going through the whole setup process here, but I was wanting something that's rugged. I was wanting something that was like black, but it looks like it's like a dark gray. I do want to get the band replacement, so it's like a metal class. Oh, I was saying they had cheaper ones for like $22, which looked like they were steel that could possibly scratch, and they had higher price ones for like $50 on Amazon that were it said it was titanium, so it looked like those were more scratch resistant. I am a male. How tall are you? I am 6'1". Next. How much do you weigh? Quite a bit. Oh, this is going to take me forever to scroll up all the way. I want to say I'm like 274 right now or something like that. That's what I weighed this morning. Boom. Next. Sync your device. It will sync now. Syncing will update your steps. So let's finish this. Navigating your instincts easy once you learn the basics. Try these simple actions. Let's walk through how to use the buttons on your device. Okay, so it's got the app. I guess that makes sense. It has the app going through your initial instructions instead of like digging through some papers or whatnot. Next. Okay. You're all set. Oh, I didn't even pay attention to what it said. Okay. Weather data on your device. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I unplug it. I don't know how the battery is on this. Okay, it's saying it has like 4 out of 5 bars. Oh, it's got sunrise on here too. Because I wear my watch like this, like on the inside. So I wonder if that's going to mess with my heart rate and stuff. We got my day. We got challenges. Calendar. Is this like a separate calendar? Oh yeah, I guess you could like download like workout programs. Okay, so it is keeping track of my heart rate here. There we go. There's a good shot of it. See this little thing up here is the heart rate. So that's interesting. So since that kind of peed me off, it raised to 80. So I don't know. Would I sleep with this on? I think you can. It even brings heart rate on your app as well. So pretty good, pretty interesting. There's like a GPS certain thing you use on here. Yeah, battery life up to 14 days in smartwatch mode, up to 16 hours in GPS mode. My watch just vibrated. Tip: hold to change watch face and other settings. There's watch face, there's history, and there's settings. What's settings? Activities and apps. We can add, we can area calculate, we can project WPT, I'm not sure what that is. Track me. I think track me is like the GPS thing, and there's also like a navigate as well. I don't know if we can zoom into this, but there's about, there's system, there's navigation, there's activity tracking, there's user profile, there's phone, there's map, sensor and accessories, watch face. Ooh, choose your activities. Trail run, boat, tactical, floor climb, stair stepper, elliptical, yoga, cardio, strength, row indoors, row. I don't know what soup is. Kayak, XC ski, snowboard, ski, open water, pool swim, mountain biking, bike indoors, bike. Let's see what bike is. Oh, it's just, okay, climb, hike. We do walking too. Indoor track, treadmill, run. We used to run. We'll put run on here. Trail run. Done, okay. Save changes, yes. So we can do a run. Oh, there's like a start timer. There's a GPS. It vibrated again. There's like a, nope. How do I? So I'm going through and I'm playing with all. I put this on too tight. Oh, I can see the. Well, actually, if we can see this here, maybe there's some. See those lights? I'm pretty sure that's how it kind of tracks your. Or gets a feel for your heart rate. Alright, like I said, I just need like a basic watch. I mean, I'll have to get used to this. Maybe I ought to, because I'm pretty sure it uses these sensors here. These green lights. Those are used to track your heart rate. Let's plug this back in for a second here. And I want to find out what this band width is. It looks like it is, yeah, it looks like it's the 22 millimeter one. Alright, that's the Garmin watch unboxing. I'll use it for a little bit, then I may come back and make a video, maybe when I get a new band, telling you how I like it after using it. I may even just put it up as a quick short if it's just like, if there's nothing bad and it's cool, and it's as usual. I just make it. I've been doing more shorts lately, kind of behind the scenes stuff. But if you like this, you can give me a like, If you really like it, you can subscribe. If you want to get you one of these watches, they are still selling for about $170 on Amazon as of December 5th. So it's one of these watches right here. And I believe that is it. I'll play with it. I don't like the band. I need to get a titanium band, so 22. Okay. All right. Later.